How to create a student account on ClassDojo. First of all, open the app on your device. On the home screen, you will see several options including I am a parent, I am a teacher, I am a student, and I am a class leader. Since we are signing in as a student, select the I am a student option. Next, you will be prompted to enter a class code. This code is provided by your teacher and is required to join your classroom. You can either type the code manually or scan it if your teacher has provided a QR code. After entering the code, your account will be linked to your classroom and you will be able to access all your activities, track point, and see classroom updates. Signing into ClassDojo as a student is that simple and you are ready to start learning and participating right away. Now you know how to create a student account on ClassDojo. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.